Hey, thanks for stopping by. I'm Ray. Thought I'd do a 3-year review on this Kobalt backpack sprayer. It's 40-volt battery. It's got the battery here, and I will say this battery, one charge will last me almost one season. I just do my yard. It's around 4,000 square feet, but it does a really good job of holding. I think maybe I might charge it late August or something like that, but I do the spray for pre-emergent fertilizer, biochemical, biostimulants, things like that. So um, I've had this thing. I think I bought it at Lowe's, and I think I purchased like $129. And I think I just checked yesterday; they're like $199. So it's gone up a little bit. I just thought I'd give you a 3-year review. The tank is a little um, colored because of all the things I stick in there, but it's been pretty good. Um, we're in I'm in northeast Oklahoma, and last week it's minus 15, and today it's 75. So it's February 25th. So I'm gonna put some pre-emergent down today. It's always a hit and miss around here, so I always try to go early here to try to catch it. I'll do a split. I'll do one now, and then I'll do one about the 1st of April on pre-emergent. So I just thought I'd give you a little bit of heads up on this thing. There's a couple of little things that's happened to me over 3 years. This lid, I used to clean the vat out inside here. I used to just leave the lid off out in the shed, and when I did that the first time, I put it back on, and this gasket inside here, I must have shrunk or something. When I stuck it back on, it would leak on me on my back. So once I got it wet and stretched out again, every time I clean it out, I always just stick the lid back on like that, and I've never had a problem since. And then the only other problem I've had, everything's plastic, so I didn't know how long this would hold up to, but it's pretty good so far. So far, I'm happy with it. The only thing, my tip is when I stored it for the fall, I didn't get all the moisture out of the bottom of the tip right here, and I put it on the clip right here like this, and it froze and it broke. So this is a second tip, which I already had one of those like that. So from now on, lesson learned. I blow it and then I stick it up here like this and stick it on the and store it, and hadn't had a problem. So other than that, other than the weather being kind of crazy around here, I'm going to throw down some pre-emergent today, Prodiamine. I got my gloves, my glasses, my boots, and Prodiamine. I'm not going to show you that because you guys probably seen 100 people or better throw down that. But the battery just goes in. It's see if I can do this right. Stick it in there, and that's good to go. I'm gonna put some. I'm gonna take a little break and put a little water in this, and I'll go out on the driveway and I'll show you the spray pattern of this. It's not the best, but as you know from some of my videos, I've said that I'm retired now. I'm turned 73 this year, so at some point I'll say to heck with all this. I used to pay services to come out and do all this. Well, about 6-7 years ago, I downsized from a 3,000 square foot to and a 10,000 square foot yard to house we're currently in. It's about 1,270 square feet, and I've got about a 4,000 square feet yard. This yard works me a lot harder than the other one. I guess it's all the trees. I didn't have a lot of trees on there, so. But that's my story, and I don't know this whether you're looking for a backpack or not. This is I don't know if it's even comparable to other prices now. It might have been up to where this at the time it was probably the most reasonable I could find to do it. So let me put some water in it, and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. A day. When you're 73, sometimes when you said you'll be right back, it takes you a day to get back. So I'm back, and I'm going to do it today. I'm going to just show you the spray pattern that I showed you yesterday that I was going to do. So again, this is a channel probably to tell you not what to do, then what to do. So let's try this, and I'll get out of your guys' way. Okay, it looks like it's got about like 2 foot fan spray. It's worked for me, guys. So like I said, I got this at Lowe's 3 years ago. It's, other than a few little nicks, it's made it like pretty good. So I hope this video helped someone. If you're looking for a backpack sprayer, this might be one you want to rule out, or you might want to give it a try. So thanks for stopping by.